Take a look at these two channels, Dr_Data and The Scientist Guy. By posting absolutely nothing but skeleton educational shorts, they are completely breaking the YouTube algorithm right now. A single video easily pulls in millions of views, with some even skyrocketing past the 10 million mark. These skeleton shorts are going incredibly viral, and the crazy part is how simple they are to make. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to replicate this success and create these viral videos from scratch using AI. No fluff, let's jump straight into step 1 and generate our ideas. Step 1. Generating our script and prompts. Head over to ChatGPT, click on Explore GPTs in the left menu, and search for Skeleton Shorts. You will see a ton of templates. We are going to use the first result, so select it and hit Start Chat. I already have a specific topic in mind, so I will type, "What happens inside your body during stress?" By the way, if you are ever out of ideas, you can simply ask the GPT to brainstorm some viral topics for you. In just seconds, it generates exactly what we need, a main scene prompt and 5 B-roll prompts. Let's move to step 2. Bringing our skeleton to life. Open up OpenArt, go to the Image category, and click Create Image. Copy the scene prompt from ChatGPT and paste it right in. For the AI model, we are going to select the brand new Nano Banana 2. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16. The resolution is totally up to you. Then hit Generate. It gives us 2 results, and I definitely prefer the second one. Now, pay attention because here is the secret trick for consistency. Drag this exact image over to Add Visual References on the left side. Next, copy your first B-roll prompt, paste it in, keep all the settings exactly the same, and hit Generate again. Repeat this process for all your prompts. Once everything is done, click Download As in the top right. Save them locally and name them in order. Now we are ready to make them move. Step 3. Turning our images into cinematic videos. First, let's jump back to ChatGPT. I simply type, "Generate the corresponding video prompts for the images above," and it instantly converts our entire scene list into detailed video commands. Now, head back to OpenArt and select Text to Video. You can upload the images we downloaded, or just grab them straight from your creations history to save time. Paste in your first video prompt and make sure you select the powerful Kling 3.0 Omni model. Turn the audio off since we will add our own voiceover later, set the duration to 6 seconds, and crank the resolution up to 1080p. Hit Generate! Look at this stunning result. We get a highly detailed cinematic tracking shot of our skeleton inside a glowing human body with pulsing veins that perfectly simulate an adrenaline rush. Because this model is so incredibly accurate, you rarely need to tweak anything. Just download it as an MP4. Repeat this exact same process for the rest of your images. Step 4. Adding the professional voiceover. Head back to ChatGPT one last time and type, "Please add appropriate narration to each of the above videos, keeping each under 5 seconds." It instantly writes out punchy, short scripts perfectly timed for our visuals. Now, to get that high-retention, realistic sound, we are using ElevenLabs. Jump into the text-to-speech feature and paste your entire script right in. Hit Generate, and ElevenLabs will actually create 2 different audio versions for you automatically. Just preview them both, pick the one with the perfect emotion and pacing, and hit Download. Step 5. Final Cut. Open up a video editor like CapCut and drag all your video clips and audio files onto the timeline. First, to keep viewers hooked, we need engaging subtitles. Just right-click your audio, select Transcript, and hit Generate Captions to automatically sync the text with your voice. Make sure to trim any dead space or slightly speed up the clips. Align each voiceover track with its corresponding video. Choose a bold, eye-catching font for your captions, give it a quick preview, and export. Now, take a look at this incredible final result.
The moment stress hits, your body switches into survival mode. Your brain sends an instant alarm through your nervous system. Your heart rate spikes, pumping blood faster to your muscles. Adrenaline floods your bloodstream, boosting strength and focus. Your muscles tense, preparing for action. Breathing quickens to fuel your fight or flight response.
We've just turned a basic biological process into a fast-paced shorts. The pulsing veins, dramatic lighting, and rapid-fire narration make the body's stress response feel incredibly visceral, hooking the viewer from the very first second. With the power of OpenArts, making these million-view videos is easier than ever. All the links to the tools and prompts I use today are right down in the description. Go ahead and give it a try. If this fast tutorial helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss our next AI update. Now it's your turn to get creative. See you in the next video.